Greetings, curious viewers. Tool Tips with Tommy here. Got a little present from UPS today. You know, if you can guess where I got it from, you win. So I've been waiting for this for a long time. When I got it, I was totally stoked. There it is. They weren't supposed to ship it to me, but they did. Okay, let's see. Put out. Yeah, okay. And here it is. I got a sanding disc. Actually, you can guess. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. There you go, folks. I got myself the GEX 18V 125. That's what this is right here. So yeah, it's their new cordless 18-volt sander. I just had to have it because it looks so cool. Nice, it looks ergonomic, light. I can't wait to put a battery on it and try it. I'll let you guys know. Yeah, so there you go. Variable speed, on and off. Comes with the bag, but apparently I can put the vacuum right on that, which is what I'll probably do. Oh yeah. Oh, unscrews real easy. I like that. There you go. Can't wait to use it. And it came in an L box. How about that? With all the little pieces, everything fits. Put a charger, some batteries. Not like I don't have any extra chargers or batteries. I'll probably use it with a 4 amp hour battery. I don't know if I'll use the 8 amp hour battery on it, but we'll see how the balance works. So, there you go. The GEX 18V 125. I ordered it from Germany, Amazon Germany. They weren't supposed to ship it to me, but they did. So, cool. Let me know if you have any questions.